iPhone 11 Pro. Old battery is out and new battery from AliExpress Stellar Cell battery ultra version, which is supposed to have a little bit of more capacity. In this case, it is a 3500 milliampere hours. I'm doing installation and we're gonna test if this capacity is real. Voila, we have a boot. This is a Frankenstein iPhone. Basically, the screen is aftermarket, the battery is aftermarket. It was cracked multiple times, so take this test with grain of salt, because the screen is not OLED and it is draining a lot more power than what it should. The battery is as expected, unverified. We have important battery message, but we have maximum capacity at 100%. Here we are. The phone did shut down. The battery is 5% right now. It was literally 0. And we are charging with just 1 amp because of this connector here. But we're gonna be able to see the realistic capacity when battery gets full. So stay tuned. We are at 100%. Here we see that charging is nearly finished. Even if it's say 100%, it still top charged the battery, and we see that capacity is 3317 milliampere hours. 1 hour later, we can see that we have 92% left. The battery looks legit. It passed capacity test. It is not perfect, a bit lower, but there is a threshold of around 7 to 10% of difference, but battery really shows that it is higher capacity than original. And here we see that after 1 hour the battery drain is around 8%, which leads that if drain keeps the same until the end, we will have more than 10 hours of video playback over Wi-Fi, which again is similar with tests when the battery is brand new and original. Drawback here is that the screen is not original. It is not AMOLED. It is not OLED, which, as you know, IPS units drain a lot more energy than OLED. Anyway, links are down below. You can check out the seller. This battery is around of 25 euros shipped over AliExpress, which is good bargain to replace your old iPhone battery. Subscribe. See ya.